Ever found the perfect song on Spotify and wished you could play it anytime, even without Wi Fi? I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download songs from Spotify so you can listen offline, on the go, and without killing your data plan. So, let's get started. Open your Spotify app and log in to your account. Next, find the song, album, or playlist you want to download. Take note that Spotify doesn't let you download individual songs directly, but there's a trick. Add a song to a playlist, tap the three dots next to the song, then choose Add to Other Playlist. Now, go to your library, then click on Like Songs. Tap the download icon at the left top. Then, Spotify will start downloading everything in that playlist. Remember that you should use Spotify Premium account in downloading because, unfortunately, downloading is not available on the free plan. So make sure that you are using a Spotify Premium account before downloading. Once it turns green, that means it's downloaded and ready to go offline. And that's it. Now you can jam to your favorite songs without worrying about data or signal. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Happy listening!